Guys, welcome back to channel. Subscribe channel and press the bell icon to get new video update.
In this video I am explain you about how to call Meesho Customer Care. Meesho India Customer Service full details, please check video description. If you are facing any problem related to services and need help, then you can call the Meesho Customer Care number to diagnose any queries regarding your order, payment, shipping, cancellations, return, refund or any other help. Meesho Customer Support Team is available by phone 24 hours 7 days. This helpline service supports multiple Indian languages. You can inform them about the issue over the phone, and they will assist you in solving it. You can contact Myntra by phone if you prefer to speak with a representative. The Meesho Customer Care Support phone number is 080-617-99600. To speak directly to an Meesho support advisor.
For more infotainment, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching. Have nice day.